Traders. This is Stock Trader Advisory, Wednesday, February 24th, 12:54 p.m. Central Standard Time. We are going over our weekly highlights from our trading positions on level 1 subscribers. So we've got 3 different levels of insights for subscribers to choose from. Obviously, the higher list, or the level 3 that you go with, you have more stocks and options to pick from than our level 1 results. So, that being said, we've got a couple of stocks that we've been sort of highlighting over the last couple of weeks, and we are bringing that to you now. So, the first one, FNKO. Over the last as we've been holding this, we've seen an increase of 263% for FNKO, which is phenomenal. This is actually held over from last year, and as we've been buying and selling and holding on to this. So FNKO has done extremely well for us. Moving on, we've got Cloudera, and Cloudera we've seen a return of so far 75% for this particular stock. Moving on to our last one, well, not really the last one, we got one more after this, is Evolent Health. So EVH has, let me pull up from my list, is a 56% gain from our long position from the last time that we made a move on it. So overall, our portfolio is doing quite well. Just from this week, we do have 6 new weekly highs among our long positions. A big rise in CLXT, and 19 stocks overall with double-digit long gains. So we've highlighted a couple of them for you. We do have some that are in the triple digits, which is fantastic. And another one that we wanted to kind of highlight is actually 3D Systems. So we originally, right now what we're doing is we're holding and we're avoiding this particular stock just because it signaled that it's on a downward trend. And sure enough, we capitalized out whenever it was at the top. And what we're doing now is avoiding it to see what exactly is going to happen. And it looks like right now, as you can see, that the trend is downward. So when that upward trend starts happening, then we will probably signal and let you know. But for all of you that don't know what we do, we are Stock Trader Advisor. We provide a weekly newsletter for small to mid-sized investors to essentially seek greater gains. We don't believe in the mantra of buying and holding, say like mutual funds, but capitalizing on the ups and downs of the stock market. So our mantra is follow the smart money. We want to follow the institutional investors and see what they're doing and mimic their moves. So if they're buying, we buy. If they sell, we sell. If they're holding, we're going to hold, and essentially capitalize on that downward, upward movement. So essentially, if you had a year-long view, and over 1 year, somebody might see 3%, maybe 8%. We could see upwards of 50 or 60% on a return just based off the different positions that we're taking of buying and selling those different stocks whenever they either on a downward or upward trend. So that's what we do. We send out our newsletter once a week, usually on Sunday night, so that subscribers can essentially digest what we've got. We give them notices on how to move on specific stocks that they've chosen to go with, and from there they put their trades in for Monday morning, and essentially we hold all week. So we're an active solution. We're not a daily upkeep, but a more weekly, slower approach, but not so slow that it's like the mutual fund approach. So if you're looking for a sample newsletter, please head on over to stocktraderadvisory.com. If you want to go ahead and give us a test run, we provide the first month free. Our plans start at $42 a month. You can cancel anytime. We've got 3 options that go up to level 3, which gives you a much wider range of stocks that you can choose and select from. With all that being said, happy trading, and we'll see you next week.